I've just repositioned everything, got the guard on. The guard is a lot closer to fitting with the centre section now. It was way out before. It's not forced into position, it's just the bolts are just slid through. It's just sitting there, so that is quite good because initially the front end just wouldn't pull in. In fact, you had to pull it in to get it to join. At the moment it's just sitting there with the bolts loose. But I need now to make sure that the line of the guard matches the line of the new line of the centre section there. It's just a little bit out in the centre here. Once again, it's where these rust repairs are. But I'll see if I can get that alignment a lot closer. Not worried about it just in here, that's where the lead is going to go, but I believe I can get it a little bit closer than it actually is at the moment, so I need to raise the area just in there. Not much, but needs to come up a bit. So I'll take the guard off again. I'll work with the flange to be able to do that. Hopefully I should be able to get that up, or up enough to just have this one area here, which I know I have a problem. And the problem, you still can't quite see it, there'll be a wider gap in here than in other parts of the panel because of the repair. So I need to have lead, particularly along the edge here, to have a nice straight edge and a nice solid metal edge, hence the lead. The fit between the wing and the guard is getting closer. I've just been working on the flanges themselves to make sure that the angles are right. That's now very, very close. The test fit this time is quite good. The only concerning point is still this rust repair area. Everything else is extremely close, so what I'm going to do now is to try and lift this section of the panel. Now I can force it to fit. At the moment I've only got 2 bolts, one at the front, one at the rear. I slid a bolt through there which I haven't tightened up at all, and I can, even with my fingers, close that area there and actually manipulate it. I can actually push the panel up a bit. But what I want to be able to do is just to have it align without manipulating the panel in any way. Now every time I make a change, it's actually getting a lot closer here now. This is pretty well aligned. Before that was way out, but now it's a lot closer. I still haven't worked on this area yet. I want to make sure I've got the wing and the centre section fitting the way it should be. Once I've got that, then I'll complete the work on the sugar scoop area. As I say, a little bit more work to do in this section. As I say, I'll try and lift it. Once I start lifting this, it will affect a much larger area, so I've got to be careful. So I'll just do it gradually and see how much I can raise that without forcing it. I think, as I say, I think I can get better. I'm obviously not going to get it perfect because the edge, for a moment I'll call it a rolled edge, but it's not. This is where it folds down into the flange. It is not neat. It needs to be a nice even curve. At the moment it's not, and I've tried to get that improved just with forcing the metal, but I really can't make much progress, and I'd rather use lead to resolve that rather than keep on hitting that and causing other problems. Anyway, once again I'll just check it before I take it off. I'll work out where I'm going to actually try and lift this, and then put the panel back on and see what impact that's had. The fit now is almost perfect, just a couple of minor things to fix. Once again it'll be the flanges that will fix that. I did have a low area from here to here. Now that's fixed. That's now aligned with the other side. Obviously there's still that gap there. That's the edge that I've got a lead. I haven't bolted this up tight, so there's a small gap between the panels here. I don't want to do that. It's a little bit tighter here, not so tight there, but everything is aligned, which is good. Now I can start working on this and get that all fitted in nicely. Getting the sugar scoop in place has been quite an exercise. The centre section had to be not modified but corrected where it was all out of shape. The scoop itself on this side was out of shape, and then getting it in, I now have it in, of course. Everything is smooth around the opening there, but it's I had to actually release the bolt up here, and now that's just sitting too high. So I've probably got to shape this, or maybe work the flange here. So it's in, but I've got to correct this. Now part of the difficulty I had getting it in, of course, is that I forgot I didn't have spacers in here. When I checked the line, I didn't put the spacers, I just put the bolts and nipped them up, and of course that meant that the opening was just that much too small, so hence I released the bolt there, then this slid in. Anyway, bit of work around here. Everything around here is okay, so just everything out again, look at this, and then see if I can correct that and get it all back in. I've got the sugar scoop going in nicely. It just basically drops in and I can put the clecos in. Then I thought I need to check whether this piece fits properly. Now, as it happens, it doesn't. Part of the reason is the shape of this bit here that goes back. Now, what's happened when this has had a bit of a knock in the front is that this has been pushed up. So basically from that point there, this is bending up slightly, which means this is then not sitting on the curve of the wing and the centre section. Now I've got to try and not straighten it but correct that so it sits down properly. As I say, it's sitting up in this section, I mean, I can, not quite that much, but it's up from there to there. So I've got to be able to reset this. And I've got to be careful. It's only very thin. I assume it's brass. So I'll take that off and start to work this problem here. So I've got to do it very carefully, otherwise I'll ruin the piece. Will it hold down? Maybe, once I screw this into the sugar scoop and pull that down and bend the tabs over, maybe it will, but I don't want to bend the tabs and then find out that it doesn't. I don't want those tabs to break off either, so I want it to sit there without the tabs and match the profile. Anyway, I forgot about this, and just as well I remembered, because had I just continued on, and I would have found that when it came to have this rechromed and put on, it wouldn't fit properly anyway. So I'll just take this off and very carefully see if I can reset the curve. I've just spent 3 hours on this, just trying to get the shape right, and that's the shape of the chrome piece. I haven't got to addressing any issues on the centre section. Its problem has been this section. It is slightly curved that way, and of course slightly that way. And in addition to not being in that shape, the width of this had been squashed, so I had to open up the width of the chrome, then change the shape so it would fit. Now, I haven't put the fold of the clips over underneath that. I have put a couple of screws in here, but just looking at it now, I've still got probably an issue here. That's sitting up quite a lot. It's okay there, and there's a low spot in here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, whether I modify the chrome. That's a possibility, because it is lifted up, or it's lifted up basically from there to there. So I'll have to look at that now and see what I can do with that. Maybe I can pull that chrome piece around a bit. It is soft, so I assume it is brass, but it's also subject to bending too quickly, so I'll have to be very careful how I do that. I did some more metal work around this area here to get this chrome piece to sit on the panel. It now does, so this is now a good fit all the way around the edges there, around here, and on the other side. So that's now pretty much complete. I will do more work on these when I've got the other side done, because what I'll do is that I'll do the work on the front of the vehicle, this bit here to the nose. I'll do that when both guards are on, and I'll address these again just to make sure everything's fitting right. So But at this stage it looks good. I haven't worried too much about the chrome strips around here yet. I'll do that when I do the front end. So what I'll do now is just clean this up where I've been working. I've got a little bit of surface rust appear. I've had to take the gloves off a couple of times, so anyway, I'll kill that, clean all this area that I've been working on, kill any surface rust that's appeared, and then start on the other side.